So right here you can see this is a 300 watt portable power station. Now this is a lot thinner and smaller than other portable power stations I've used in the past. Also 300 watts is generally a bit smaller than what I've used, but I like this because I can use it as a UPS. You can see I just unplugged the power, but I'm still running my computer and my monitor. It's running about 80 to 90 watts of power. So it's really nice. It shows how much time you have left, how much power you're using, what your input is. And like I said, I'm using this as a UPS, and because it's so thin and can fit on the desk, it works really well in that regard. So it comes in this fairly small box, and you can see just a bit how it looks. It does have a carrying strap, so if you want to tote it around, it's really lightweight and easy to carry around. It does have this light on the back if you need an extra light. And it comes with a USB-C cable, a car charging cable, and then your actual charging cable. So one thing I really like about this is you can charge it via USB-C. Now you're not going to charge it as fast as you will with the charger it came with, but it works, which is really nice and convenient because I prefer using USB-C for most of my devices. So here you can see the display, and you can kind of see what's going on. So here I have my USB-C charger, and it is charging at 43 watts of power, so not amazing, but pretty good for USB. So here, if you have a close look at the display, you can see as I adjust my light, it does change what the wattage is. So you can see here as the light changes, the wattage changes as well. And here I'm just kind of showing how nice and portable it is. So I use lights all the time. I have to take them around to various places in my house. This portable power station is actually portable when you compare it to other portable power stations that are just really big and bulky. I like the design and size of this. So a couple things to be aware of. Here is the fan. Yes, it has a fan that comes on and it can be loud. And then also when you turn on AC,
do you hear that?
There's a high-pitched AC sound. So I don't know if you were able to hear it, but it's something you may want to be aware of. If you use this as a UPS, there is a slight sound you can hear when you've got AC. This unit was sent to me for free to do this review. Overall, I really like the shape of it. I like how it is very, very portable. It's a great portable power station.